Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are reviewing the GoShare Driver App, a gig app that pays you to deliver cargo, furniture, and more. Is it worth in 2025 or should you skip it? GoShare connects drivers with people who need help moving things, like store deliveries, office items, or heavy furniture. You can work with your own vehicle, a pickup truck, cargo van, SUV, or even a regular car for small gigs. Pay can range from $30 to $100 per job, depending on the lot. You choose your own hours and jobs through the app. It's available in many US cities. But here are some things to watch out for. You must pass a background check, provide vehicle documents, and complete onboarding. There is no guaranteed income. Job offers depend on demand in your area. You are responsible for fuel, wear and tear, and insurance. So, is it GoShare Driver app worth it? Yes, if you already own a suitable vehicle and want flexible physical work, it can be a great side hustle. But if you're expecting consistent daily income, it might not be reliable enough. Try it in your area, test the pay, and see if it fits your schedule. Comment below if you use GoShare, like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more real gig app reviews. Thanks for watching.